Good morning, world. Today is October 4th, and I'm gonna do my weigh-in, and then I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. My heaviest, guys, I'm coming from 226. Good news. So 196.6. That's my weigh-in for today. So first, I drank some water, 1 cup of water. And then I'm gonna have my oatmeal. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat up my oatmeal now, guys, just like that. Eat it up. Then I'm gonna take my vitamins, and then this is a quick update, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have for lunch and what's for dinner. So what I eat in a day to lose over 30 pounds. All right, guys. And on this, guys, you can put some banana or some blueberries or some strawberries. It's up to you. So I just made this smoothie recipe. I will leave a link for it, and this is part of my weight loss journey. All right, guys, so you can have this one for breakfast, you can have it in the afternoon, you can have it for lunchtime, whatever you want, guys. All right, so I'm gonna drink this up now, and yeah. Oh, and what's in here, guys, is Irish moss and bladderwrack and spinach, 1 ripe banana. You can use half, and I have half an apple and some almond milk. It's really delicious. All right, guys, so if you want to lose weight or if you want to maintain the weight that you have, this smoothie is super healthy. This is me making my roti. Hey, the guys, they rise up. Fat like a wow. And these are the one I had leftovers in the freezer. I took them out, put them in the fridge, and then I'm making them. And this one is done. Let's put it over there. So this is lunchtime, and I'm gonna make like a sandwich, like a wrap. All right, and I made these roti myself. I will leave a link. It's the clap roti, the Guyanese clap roti, but I didn't clap this one. All right, so I have one here, and I have some chicken breast and some cucumber, and then I'm gonna use some plum sauce and some hot pepper. I really want some lettuce, guys, but me not going on supermarket now, and me not have nothing in the house. So first I'm gonna put some cucumber down, like a streak of cucumber, basically. That's good. Let's not put it too far, because I gotta bend this up. And I'm gonna put some chicken breasts. I just cut them, and you can make more than one. All right, guys, so that's it. And I'm gonna just dip a little bit or pour a little bit of the plum sauce. Ooh. And I have some hot pepper if you like it spicy. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese, like half slice, and then I cut it in two. And that's it, guys. Nothing much. Only thing, I want my lettuce on it, but that's okay. And now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fold the bottom like this, and then just wrap it over, and just wrap this one over. And look at the goodness. So this is what I'm having for my lunch, my wrap. It's so good. And I have some green drink. This is celery, cucumber, and ginger and lime. And what else I put in it? A little bit of an apple. All right, a whole green drink mix going on. All right, guys, so this is what I'm gonna have for my lunch, and I'll catch you later. This is it when I bite into it. So good. And that's it, guys. Look at this. And that's my Jamaican style curry fillet, fish fillet in coconut milk or cream. Enjoy, guys. Yum yum. Bye, guys. And guys, we fully a pepper. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, just melt in your mouth. Oh, look here, guys. Oh, rice still too hot. Wait. All right, guys. Enjoy.